How to delete your Brawl Stars account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can delete our Brawl Stars account. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your Brawl Stars account after opening up the application, just head over to the menu bar and go to settings. After that, you'll be able to find this Brawl Stars support option. Just click on it, and here you'll be able to find account. Just go to account, and here you should be able to find this option called access and delete your data, or you may just go to chat section and tap on leave a message. After that, here you'll be able to find different kind of option, but what you're gonna head over to is delete my data option. You're just gonna look up for the option that says delete my data. After that, chat with the support system of Brawl Stars, and they'll give you option of different things, but you just need to go on for the process of deleting my data. After that, Brawl Stars will help you delete your account on Brawl Stars. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to delete your Brawl Stars account successfully. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.